Hey there. Are you an e-commerce owner, an Amazon seller, or someone who has a catalog of products to sell online? Then you're in for something amazing, because this video could literally change the way you create your product content, saving you both money and time. All of this can be done just by switching to a new Gen AI tool called Jogg AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create studio-quality product photos and videos, the kind you can use in your catalog, on your website, or your online store, like WooCommerce or Amazon. You can even use these visuals for promotional content, perfect for TikTok ads, YouTube Shorts, and other social media platforms. And here's the best part. You don't need a professional studio, a model, or even a photographer. If you already have a high-quality photo of your product, that's all you need. With just that one image, you can create stunning photo shoots and quick product videos, all within a few minutes. All right, let's jump straight into it. For this, we'll be using Jogg AI. Now, if you're hearing about Jogg AI for the first time, here's a quick rundown. Jogg AI is an advanced AI video creation tool that specializes in AI avatar videos and AI ad making. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes powerful tools like avatar VFX, face swap, image to video, and text to video. It's a complete package for anyone who wants to grow online, whether you're a content creator, social media influencer, or YouTuber. But for today's video, we'll focus on three things: the product photo shoot and the product video shoot. Plus, we'll also try out the product avatar feature. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to create studio-quality product content using nothing but AI. No complicated setups, no manual editing, everything done in minutes. All right, let's get started by logging into Jogg AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Just click it and create your free account. Once you sign up, you'll get 3 free credits that you can use to test out all the features. So don't wait. Try it out and see for yourself whether Jogg AI is the right fit for you. Now, let's head straight to the Jogg AI dashboard. Our first task, creating studio-quality product photos. Under the AI Ad Maker section, you'll find the option called Product Photo Shoot. Click on it. Here's where all the action happens. You can upload your images, make edits, and download your results, all in one place. As you can see, I already tested this earlier using a product called a Acer laptop. These are the results that Jogg AI generated for me. Now, let's do the process again from scratch so you can see how it works. For this demonstration, I'll use a raw image of a stainless steel tumbler. Click Upload and choose your product image. Just make sure the file size is below 10 MB. All right, let's upload the tumbler now. Once uploaded, you'll notice 2 generation types: Product Shot and Model Showcase. Product Shot focuses on creating clean, studio-style lighting, highlighting textures and finer product details. Model Showcase, on the other hand, generates realistic images where a model is holding or presenting your product. Let's start with Product Shot, and we'll explore Model Showcase afterward. Next, you'll need to describe how you want your product to appear. To make this easier, Jogg AI provides a wide range of public presets to choose from. Let's explore some of them. Under Beverages, I'll select the red background and the yellow one. Both seem like a good match for my product. Then, under Bags and Luggage, I'll also choose the seashore background. Now, set the image quality to high. You'll notice that credit usage changes based on the quality level. Low quality uses 0.1 credits per preset. Medium quality uses 0.2 credits per preset. High quality uses 5 credits per preset. Since we're using high quality and selected 3 presets, this will cost 1.5 credits in total. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with the standard one, 3:2. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within just a few minutes, your product images will be ready. And wow, the results are impressive. You'll get a true studio quality output that looks incredibly professional. Click on any image to preview it. And if you're happy with the result, click Download to save it. Now, here's something even more powerful. If you have a reference image showing how you want your product to appear, you can use that too. Under Presets, go to Custom and upload your reference image. I've already downloaded one that I like, so I'll use that. Once uploaded, set the image quality to high, choose your aspect ratio, and click Generate again. It doesn't really look like the reference image we uploaded, does it? I think I might have forgotten to actually select the reference image before generating. All right, no worries. Let's try that one more time. This time, I'll make sure the reference image is properly selected. Okay, generating again, and wow, now it works perfectly. Looks like I definitely missed that step earlier. Take a look at this. The result is absolutely amazing. Even the animated H2O molecule graphics blend and sync beautifully with the product. It looks realistic, clean, and super professional. I really like how well this turned out. If you've got a fresh idea in mind and want to bring it to life, you can use prompts to create the exact product shot you're imagining. Let me show you how this works using the Model Showcase generation type. First, make sure you've uploaded your product image and choose Model Showcase under the Generation Type section. Under the field that says, Describe how the product should appear, we already see how the presets will work before. Now let's try Prompt. Here, we'll enter our prompt to generate a product image. But before typing it manually, notice the small button called Prompt Generator. Click on that. A pop-up window will open. And here's the best part. Jogg AI has already simplified the entire prompting process for you. It provides a variety of ready-made templates for different product use cases. You can mix and match the combinations you like and use them as your custom prompt. I select Cinematic Style with a shallow depth of field to add focus on the product and model. Minimalist Open Kitchen with sleek countertops and ambient lighting. Model and product in dynamic composition with balanced space. The model wears luxury fashion style with sophisticated accessories to elevate the product. Model interacting with the product, showing its usage in real life. Once you've selected a combination, click on it. The selected prompt will automatically appear in the prompt box. Now, select your preferred image quality, aspect ratio, and number of images you want to generate. Here's a quick tip. Always choose more than one image. I usually select 4, because when generating images through prompts, sometimes a few results might not come out exactly as expected. By generating multiple images, you increase your chances of getting at least one perfect shot. Once everything is set, click Generate, and let's wait for the product images to render. In just a few moments, Jogg AI will create stunning product visuals based on your prompt, exactly how you imagined them. As I expected, this first one doesn't look right. The model's head is cropped. Only half of it is visible. In the next image, the model opens the lid, but it looks a bit off. The lid appears to have some kind of extended hinge, which makes the product look unrealistic, almost like a false version of the tumbler. The lid should be fully open and completely detached from the tumbler, so this one doesn't really work either. The third image also has the same issue. The model's head is cropped again, so that one's not usable. But the last one, this is exactly what I was looking for. Out of the 4 images, only this one turned out perfect. So, let's go ahead and download this one. Now, if you want to use the same model across multiple product photo shoots, showing the same product in different variations, that's where the photo avatar feature comes in. So, let's jump right into it. First, upload your product photo. Next, we need to choose the avatar. I'm going to upload the last model showcase photo I downloaded earlier because I want the same model to present the product in multiple variations. Under Describe how the product avatar should appear section, instead of typing a prompt manually, I'll use the prompt generator. Click on it and you'll see several keyword options to choose from. For the background, I'll select Outdoor Cave Terrace with morning sunlight and bold urban background. For the shooting style, I'll go with Instructional Demo. And for the interaction style, I'll choose Presents the product directly to the camera with a confident expression. Once that's done, click Use this script, and Jogg AI will automatically insert the full prompt for you. Now our prompt is ready. Let's set the image quality to high. That's always my preference for best results. I'll keep the aspect ratio as the default, which is 3:2. For the number of images, I'll select 4, just to have a few variations to choose from. That's it. Now click Generate. Jogg AI will start rendering the images, and within a few moments, wow, look at that. Absolutely mind-blowing. The same model, now showing different hand gestures and standing in various backgrounds, all while presenting the product naturally. And the best part? All 4 images look perfect. Honestly, Jogg AI did an incredible job here. In my opinion, Jogg AI is a total lifesaver for every e-commerce seller out there. Think about it. If you were to do a traditional product photo shoot like this, it would easily cost you thousands of dollars. You'd need to hire models, find a location, get permissions, pay photographers, and spend hours on editing. But with Jogg AI, you can do all of that with just a 1-month subscription, around $70 for the creator plan, which is their most popular one. And if you subscribe yearly, you can even get it for just $36 per month. That's an incredible deal. So, click the link below and subscribe now. Start creating studio-quality product photo shoots for your business without wasting any more time. And no, we're not done yet. Jogg AI can do even more. Now, I'm going to take things one step further by using the image-to-video tool to bring this avatar to life. I'll make the avatar actually react to the product. A short 5 to 10 second clip that looks realistic and natural. Excited? Me too. All right, let's make our avatar model come alive. First, download the image you want to turn into a video. Then, go back to the Jogg AI homepage, and under More Tools, select Image to Video. At first, it will ask you to choose a model. For your reference, Jogg AI has integrated several top AI models, including Seedance, Runway, Hailuo, and even Google VEO support. They also keep these models updated as soon as newer versions are released. For this demo, I'll choose Kling 2.1 Pro since it's excellent for realistic visuals and smooth 3D motion. Next, upload the image you just downloaded. In the prompt section, type something like, "Make the model point at the tumbler twice with a smile." We'll keep the resolution and duration as default for now. Once that's done, click Generate. Jogg AI will start rendering the short video using the Kling AI model, turning our static avatar image into a moving, lifelike clip. All right, it's ready. Let's watch the preview. Wow, exactly what I prompted. The motion, the expression, everything feels so real. Jogg AI truly works wonders. It brings all these amazing AI features together under one roof, making product creation easier than ever. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, or if you think I shared something valuable that can help you grow, please support me by subscribing to the channel. Your support keeps me motivated to create more helpful videos like this, faster and better, just for you.